What you see here is my entire haul from my Vancouver trip, and I'm just gonna go through one by one, and because there's a lot. First stop, Muji, obviously, and I got a nice new glue tape from them, and this is like in the new shape that they had. I'm very used to this kind of like pulling mechanism, and it's much smaller than the Tombow one that I used, so I thought it would be convenient. I got these cute 8/6 size light grid notebooks, and I think these are great complements to my 2020 Muji planner. And they're just little pamphlets that fit inside the Hobonichi. They also have this big notebook for sales. It's like a ring bound, and they're just white blank pages, and I'm just excited to use them for like miscellaneous purposes, for drawing, sketching, testing out pens, and doing little notes, not just for like art and journaling. So these are kind of like my Muji haul. I also brought a bigger thing towards the end, which is this 2-case container. So they're actually like in lengthwise shorter than the usual 3-tier drawers, but I like how like the height of each drawer is much higher. So I look forward to like putting things like sticky notes, things that have like more volume inside, because they always get stuck in my 3-tier drawer trays. So they were on sale too. They were 30% off in Canadian dollars. So I thought that was a good deal, and I was driving, so I took it home. So that's Muji. Next, I think, let's talk about Paperya. So Paperya is this Japanese inspired stationery stores that's on Granville Island, and oh my god, it is such a beautiful place. It's inside one of the markets, and so they had a lot of Traverse notebook stuff. So I ended up buying this rubber band to help, you know, organize my multiple inserts. I also spontaneously bought this like folder because I brought my Starbucks Reserve Traverse notebook with me, but I wasn't able to like keep all the receipts, so I spontaneously bought this craft folder that fits perfectly inside, and I was able to put a lot of my stickers on the side instead of trying to like stuff them into my clear folders. And it had been super helpful in helping me stay organized throughout the trip. So I bought these two. Other things I bought from Paperya was one, this little memo pad that is, you know, made with washi paper. They're called little fusen, so little notepads essentially, and this one has like a coffee, so I thought it would be a nice tip-in material. Their calendars were on sale, so I ended up grabbing this cat calendar. I think I was inspired by Rainbowholic on how she like used those Daiso calendars to mark, like she tore out these pages and use them in her bullet journal as like the beginning of the month calendar. So I think I'm gonna do the same because these little cats are so cute and they come in different little cartoon characters. So that's cute. This is super nice. I've been using them so much in my weeks to track things. These are little colorful dots. I actually bought some of them from Baumkuchen, and Paperya had like other colors, so I decided to get them as well. And since I was out with my friend cafe journaling, I decided to buy this Sticker Marsh seal collection. They come up with various different kinds. You can find them at Cute Things from Japan, Stickerific and stuff, but I wanted like some coffee themed one then. These super beautiful illustrated postcards are also in Paperya. Let's see. Anja Jane is the name of the artist, and I thought it was just super beautiful. I'm actually using them as tip-ins inside my Hobonichi entries. Is this all I bought from Paperya? I feel like I bought more. Oh, I also bought some brush pens. Be right back. I've already added my new purchases to my pen pouch, so so I started using one of the glue tapes already. It was so nice. I ended up getting more. I love these Pentel sign pens. So I got one more in gray and one in brown. I've been using them to highlight, you know, my entries. So these are in total the things I bought from Paper Yeah. Super fun, super cool place to browse, and then you can also visit the nearby public market as well. So right next to Paper Yeah is a cute little place called the Postcard Place. And I bought some nice, you know, touristy postcards. I actually sent some off already, so that's why they're not here. But they also have a collection of very like vintagey, cool postcards for Vancouver, for British Columbia in general, and then also some interesting ones from around the world. So definitely check it out. It's very cute. And I bought these 3 there. On the same day, I visited Bookmarked, which is this little library store inside the Vancouver Public Library, and I found also some very nicely locally illustrated postcards. And there's another one that has the spring flowers, but I sent those out as well. So these are by Hilary Morris and really showcase the local attractions. Really love collecting postcards when I visit new places. And oh, here's another one. I found this cute cat sticker. You know, they're kind of like layered. These are from Paper Chase, which I believe is a European stationery brand that's currently inside Topshop on one of the main downtown streets inside Hudson Bay, which I believe is a mall. So you can find Paper Chase with like a wide collection of notebooks, cards, little fun things. They have like cute, unique characters as well. But you know, having done most of my shopping during the day, I decided to just get the cat stickers. So on my Vancouver trip, I got to buy a lot of snacks as well. And one of the places I visited was called Convenia, which is this Japanese grocery little convenience store. And there I found these awesome blendy sticks, which is actually like instant coffee in Japan, but this one is red bean latte flavored. So I'm really looking forward to that. It got a little bit wet because on the day I was walking, it was really rainy. But I can't wait to try this. I also got chocolate chips cookies from Morinaga, which is kind of like the chocolate chip ones here, and they come in little packs. I started eating them already. And then just for funsies, Pocky, the thin kind. So aside from that, I also went to Muji and got chocolate marshmallows. These are super delicious, fluffy, with like a chocolate paste and inside. And I also found that they have the Japanese candy. It's actually a very like prevalent Asian thing to eat like plum with your candy. So it's essentially like caramel and like these kind of like soury plum inside. So you got kind of like a sweetness and tanginess together. 7-Elevens there are way better because they carry Japanese snacks. So I got the Calbee kind of like chips things, and this is like chicken flavored corn chips. And I also checked out their local pharmacies, and they sell like cool chocolates like these. So I try to find those. Actually, this one's from Japan. I think, oh no, this one's from North Vancouver. And this one is as well. So they're both like locally made chocolate. This one is maple smoked salt and rosemary. And this one's matcha and black sesame. So I thought those were a little cute finds I had snack-wise in Vancouver. So the second day of my trip, I visited another part of Vancouver called the Main Street, and they have a beautiful, you know, just a street line with cute cafes, interesting stores, and stationery as well. And the one that everyone keep recommending me was the Regional Assembly of Text. And they have this cute thing where you can like send a postcard out to someone, you know, for free using this card. And they also have like these cute kind of, you know, they have this club thing that they host in the store, in which on the first Thursday of each month, everyone can come and type out letters using their typewriters. If you will check out my tour video my vlogging video of my Vancouver trip, it will showcase some photos of the interior of the shop. It's really cute. And my favorite purchase from them are these unique, their own store branded cards. And look at these, it's so cute. So this is kind of like their emblem. Really interesting, like two people holding these necessary tools. It's called the assembly of text. And these cards are adorable. It's kind of like filling in an application. And so you have like different kinds. This one's perfect for Valentine's Day. And so I thought these were very unique, and I really wanted to, you know, if I wanted to buy something or take away something from the stores, this would be it. Let's see. During the day, I visited Cheryl's, which is another stationery store that focuses on fountain pen, lots of notebooks, both European and Japanese, as well as like, you know, the more high-end stuff like Mont Blanc inks and stuff. And it's right downtown near BC Stadium. I got a Iroshizuku ink in Tsuyukusa. And it's really cool because in most places they don't sell it by this like 15 milliliter bottle, and they have it like the entire collection. So I decided to like splurge and get one of these. My Instagram friend Monica gave me a little happy mail, so I will look forward to opening this up in a bit. On my last day, you know, I went to the touristy parts of town in Gastown, and I went to this, you know, souvenir shop and found this really cute illustrated magnet. Canadian Full Moon. They have a lot of like series of these same illustrated animals there too, just kind of like beavers, moose, bears, and then I thought it was really adorable and really unique for a souvenir magnet. And finally, my biggest haul, as you can kind of see on this corner, is from the formerly Daiso but rebranded to OMOMO Japanese Living Complex. So these are essentially little small stationery tidbits that are like $2 each, and there were a lot. There's like entire shelves of washi tapes, entire shelves of sticky notes, entire shelves of sticker sheets, and endless things to choose from. Kind of like browsing at Daiso, but I feel like the variety is even more impressive in this place. So going through some of the things I got, I chose this cute sticky memo that has penguins and fox. This one is kind of silly. There are these odd, where are these animals? The one that appears in Jungle, I can't remember for now, but they're just doing silly things, and there's like chocolates. I can't resist Japanese snack inspired things. So here's like this red bean pastry, and then finally like a cake memo, and this one comes in 3 patterns, so that's like really fun. You have the matcha, you have the original, you have the strawberry, so I can't wait to use these. This is also a very cute little sticky memo note. You know, I have a bunch of these, but this design is just so adorable. I had to like buy it just for keepsake. This is a set of sticker flakes, so giant fruit slices, and they're sticky, so I can put them into my Hobonichi spread. And finally, the washi tapes. They have a huge selection, and they're all like individually packed. So this one is the coffee series in white. I thought it would go well with notebooks because of like the transparent nature of the background. So I usually like will gravitate towards white-based washi tapes. But you know, these are too cute to resist. So this set is the Japanese snack series. So you have the green base with like the red bean pastry again. You have the kind of yellow based, pink based, I guess, yellow based with like these like sakura inspired mochi. And finally, a blue one with strawberry daifuku, which is these mochi with strawberries inside. This one is kind of like a more relaxed illustrative styled tea set, and I got it in white as well. Finally, these are super fun finds. So I subscribed to Sticky Kit, and last year, or maybe it was the year before, they had a fall themed washi, and she said you would, you know, get it randomly. You wouldn't know which one you get off the set. And I found the remaining 2 of that entire set, so I had to get them. This one has like little, you know, fall related items like this fruit here, leaves, dessert, and this one is more like the savory food you would eat during autumn. Mushroom related, fish, tempura. So I thought these were super cute. I have the fruit specific one, which is like the apples, the pomegranate and stuff. So these 2, I'm really happy that I found these and could complete my collection. So there we are, my little haul of my Vancouver trip, and I can't wait to share more of them and use them in my planners and show you guys. But the next thing I'm really looking forward to doing is unboxing this drawer and deciding what goes into it. So you'll see them in on my table the next time I do a video. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day.